What's your "I met a celebrity but didn't let on that I knew who they were" story? I used to be a server at a Mexican restaurant right outside LA in the late 90s. One day, Leonardo DiCaprio came in with who I assume was his mom to have lunch. This would have been post-Titanic, so really at the peak of his breakthrough mega celeb status. He was wearing a ball cap, sunglasses, and unshaven, but I recognized him anyway. I didn't let anyone know, and I wrote something like, "Your movies are awesome. I hope you liked our food," on his receipt when I dropped it off at the table. After he left, I swung by and picked up his payment, and he had left me a note back that said, "Thank you so much for not blowing my cover," with a $100 tip. Shit was awesome. I was only like 19. I went and got some PlayStation games with it after my shift ended.